Is that how you look at the whole world, as in fonts and colors and patterns?
Pretty much, yeah. If I go into like a beer shop, first thing I would look at is like how pretty is the bottle, more than anything else. I'm from France, and my name is from Brittany in France. And I'm a designer here at Adobe for Adobe XD. I love bagpipes. Sound but like louder. I love pipe bands. I play in a band in Queens, and yeah, it's super hard actually. You need to think about blowing, then putting the pressure in the bag, and then using your fingers, right? And then think about the tune you have to play. I'm biased, but it's probably one of the hardest instruments in the world. I started doing fine art, and then I did branding, and then I did digital design, like websites. I don't believe in long hours. I believe in focus more than long hours. It's not about how many hours you're at your desk that you're gonna do something better. Where I think that XD as a product will have an impact, it's not Monday, it's not next year, it's in 5 years' time, 10 years' time. We have experience as a company. We have a lot of product to play with, and when those guys start, dancing together, it'll be epic. My friend in England was always saying, you're basically designing for designers, and that's like not every company that is doing that, right? It's a challenge, but every designer wants the challenge. They don't want like an easy job. They want like the job that is hard.